Many people think they are tired because they lack sleep. I believe many women are exhausted because they have been surviving for way too long. There was a moment in my life when I exercised, got enough sleep, meditated, ate well, and even though I was still feeling very heavy, I woke up feeling heavy daily. I thought there was something wrong with me. Suddenly I realized that my body didn't need more sleep or movement. It was asking for more safety. Being the strong one is exhausting. Your nervous system never clocks out. Have you ever noticed that the people that everyone depends on are often exhausted? The strong friend, the reliable partner, the good mom, the woman who always says, I got you, I got this. From the outside, she looks capable. And she is. Inside, her nervous system never gets the message that it's safe to stop. She's anticipating, planning what's next, what needs to be done. Who have I forgotten? That's why getting more sleep doesn't always fix the exhaustion, because sleep isn't the same as safety. If this feels familiar, there may be nothing wrong with you. Your body may be exhausted from protecting you from far too long. Even when you are sitting still, are you really resting, or are you planning for tomorrow, replaying that conversation from yesterday, creating your grocery list, figuring out who is gonna take who to school or to the soccer game? Here's the shift that changed everything for me. I used to think that the opposite of work was resting. Then I tried to rest. I slept more, I took time off, I meditated, but somehow I still felt exhausted. Then I realized something. The opposite of work is not rest. Safety is. When your nervous system doesn't feel safe, it doesn't matter if you are lying on the beach or on a meditation retreat. Part of you is still scanning, still preparing, still protecting. The body doesn't rest because you tell it to. It rests when it believes the danger has passed. That's why so many women say, I finally have a quiet moment and I can't relax. There's nothing wrong with them. Their body is waiting for evidence that's truly safe to let go. And that changes everything. Because the goal isn't to become better at resting. The goal is to help your nervous system rediscover what safe feels like. Imagine leaving every light in your house on for 24 hours. Eventually, the power runs out. Your body works the same way. Constant vigilance is quite expensive. It quietly consumes your energy until exhaustion starts to feel like a personality. If you've lived this way for so many years, eventually you will start feeling, this is who I am. But it isn't who you are. It's how your nervous system learned to protect you. If this is one thing you take out of this video, is this. Your body is not fighting you. It is protecting you. Think about for a moment. What if your exhaustion isn't a sign that you've failed? What if it is a sign that your body is working overtime to keep you safe? For years, maybe decades, your body learned to adjust. It learned to stay alert, to carry more than was yours, to prepare for what might happen next. That wasn't a flaw. It was an act of protection. The problem is what once was a survival mechanism eventually became a tool to keep you exhausted. So instead of asking, what's wrong with me? Try asking, what has my body protecting me from? That question changes everything, because the moment you stop fighting your body, you can finally begin to listen to it. And when your body feels understood instead of judged, that's often where healing begins. Maybe your body has been carrying so much more than anyone could ever see. Awareness is where healing begins. If you resonated with this message, my next video is talking about how rest feels so uncomfortable for so many women.